Blítt og létt, báran skvett, bátnum gefur.
Ég heiti Hrafntinna, ég heiti Þórkatla og við ætlum að taka lagið The Winner Takes It All með ABBA. Við ætlum bara að syngja.
Sofið þið með bangsa?
Já, ekki hérna. Þetta er ekki svona bangsi heima, þetta er bara svona squishmallow, bara svona púði. En þetta technically er bangsi, já.
Hver er þín helsta fyrirmynd í lífinu?
Hún heitir Amy Beth McNulty. Hún leikur Vicky í seríu 4 í Stranger Things. Ég þekkti hana samt frá Anne with an E. Bara pabbi minn, sko.
Báran skvett, bátnum gefur. Ljúfur blær, langi fjær, leiðir norð.
About things we've gone through, though it's hurting me, now it's history. I played all my cards, and that's what you've done too. Nothing more to say, no more race to play. The winner takes it all, the loser standing small beside the victory. That's your destiny. I was in your arms, thinking I belonged there. I figured it made sense, building me a fence, building me a home, thinking I'd be stronger, but I was a fool, playing by the rules. The judges will decide the lives of me abide, spectators of the show. Self-confidence. I apologize if it makes you feel bad. See me so tense, no self-confidence, but you see, the winner takes it all. The winner takes it all. The game is on again. A lover or a friend, a big thing or a small.
Bye.